Hello guys, you are welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time of meeting me, this is the voice of Josie Gold. Now, in this channel, what we do here, we educate people on different websites, how to get access to all kinds of websites. And in this tutorial, the video today will be focusing on career delivery website. Now, what career delivery website is used for is to track a parcel from one country to another, just like a consignment moving from any country to another country, right? So if you take a look over the home page, just scroll down, you see how graphic the website is. See the display, everything is unique, right? And take note, each part of this website content can be edited, can be changed as soon as you have access to it, right? Whatever you don't like, you can simply change it. So going further, you will see the home page here and the About Us page. The About Us page actually talks about the company or the delivery website or the delivery company, where it is located and how it works, right? Right. So if you go up again, you see services. Their services, what they do, how they deliver the packages, right? So not only that, you have contact also. If you click on contact, the contact explain or give a description of the location of the company. So via the website, they can contact you, either email, phone number, and even address, right? With the current location of your company. So if you scroll down, you can see that someone can send email from here, right? Can send email from here and even add the phone number and state the reason why he's messaging and where he's from, right? So we also have track and trace. The track and trace is where you put the tracking code to get the information of your luggage or the customer's parcel, right? So you can see that the the website is unique. If you put a tracking code and it is not correct, you see that invalid tracking code, tracking number, you see. But as soon as you put the correct one, it will display the correct information of that particular person. One of the uniqueness of this website is that it can print receipt, right? When you get the tracking details of that particular person, you can actually print the receipt and it will print, right? Then not only that, the detail will be showing the map, the live map of the parcel, the current location where the parcel is, right? And many more features. So stay with me till the end of this video. You will see what I mean by live map, like using to track the luggage. So as you can see now, this is the front end, that's the customer's users page, while this is the back end where the admin will be controlling the tracking website, right? So before you can be able to track your luggage at the front side or the customer's end, you must create an account with register the details of that person from the back end. If you need access to the back end of this website, you can actually get it by contacting us, right? Our number is at the comment section, you'll see it there, right? So going further, I will give you access to the back end, which you use for your projects or assignment, whatever your work you want to use it for. So to get access to the back end, just contact me. And here is my back end, the admin part, where I will be creating a new tracking code for my customer, right? So if you look at the menu here, the name of the website is here, and take note, all this can be changed, right? It can be changed. So you see the dashboard, you see add tracking, general settings, shipping settings, email settings, account, and logout. So our business here is just this add tracking. So if you add the tracking now, the information of that customer which you want to track, his or her luggage, will be inputted on the website. So as you can see now, the tracking code is automatically generated. It has generated a tracking code for us. So without wasting time, let me register this so you can see the steps I'm taking, right? How this works. So the first name there is the sender's name. It can be anyone sending it from anywhere, right? Then the sender's phone number too, you put it there. Then the email, you use any email as the sender's email. Okay, let me just use this email for the sake of this guide. Then the address, you can say New York, USA, right? Then you go to the next one, go to the next step, which is the orders information. The parcel at the first, it should be on pickup. Then you have other options which you can pick: pending, active, inactive, arrived, delivered, on hold, right? So for a start, I will go with pick up. Then dispatch location, you can put any location. Let's say okay, Lagos. Then the carrier, is it express delivery, DHL carrier, or any other? I can use anyone since this is, let me just use express. Okay, then the reference, you give it any number, any code at all, right? Just give it any code. Then the weight, you can give it any weight as well. Let me say 20 kg, it's not too much. Then the payment, how did the person make the first payment of delivery fee? In this case, you can actually go with cash deposits. Then the tracking level, since it is on pickup, it should be like 10 percentage because it is reading on percentage. Then here is the picture of the parcel. You see how why this website is far different from others, because from here you can pick the picture, the sample of the luggage. So the person will be seeing the picture of what is being delivered to him or her, right? So if you click on there, you will see where to upload the sample, the picture of your parcel. So let me quickly do that. Okay, let me use this PNG2. Okay, let me go with any of them if it can. So the next place here is the receiver's name. Let me say I'll use this name. Then the email, I'll use my email. That's my email. Then the address, let me say Bayelsa, Inegua, Bayelsa. So as you can see now, the receiver's address, Inegua, Bayelsa State. Then the destination to still Inegua, Bayelsa. Then the description, you can put any description, right? Black encrypted box or any description. Then the date of dispatch, the date, that's the date of delivery. You can pick any date. Let me say 25th today. Then estimated date, you pick any date as well. Then the mode, is it flight, ship, or land? Let me say flights, right? Then the quantity of what is being sent, how many luggages or parcel, one. Then the time and date, sorry, the time, you can pick any time, right? So once you are done with that, you've done everything correct, you can proceed and click on submit. It will be submitted to the back end. So let's wait. Okay, you see now, new tracking added successfully. So all you need to do is to click on OK. Then let's locate the new tracking we've done. So if you come down, you'll see your tracking. So from the admin side, this is the password we just created, right? So for you to copy, you just click on copy tracking code and it will copy. So you just click on OK, right? So you can see update here, delete and view details. We'll come back to this, but let's go back to the customer's end, which is the user's end, to track our password. Now the tracking code has been tracked, right? Has been copied. So we'll go to the front end and input the tracking code so that it will show us the information of the user and how we can print the receipt. So here is the track and trace where we'll put the code and track, right? So this is the tracking code we generated. So I will now track order. If I click on track order now, it will load and show us the information. So here comes the results. You can see now tracking result. So I'm having network issue, but I think the map will still pop up after some time. So you just have to refresh and the map will show up. But I'm having a network issue now, but you can see my details here, the information we generated during the tracking, right? My email, phone number, everything, right? So it is showing here and every other thing. So this is the first stage. Now the percentage is reading 10 and it will not read more than 10 because that's the number of percentage we inputted there, right? So if you click on this print receipt, it will show you the receipt with stamp. Are you seeing it? So you see the status now, it's showing just 10 and other information, right? Then you see the barcode too and the stamp, duty stamp, and all this they can pay for it, right? So it is possible to even update this. So if you click on print, it will print the receipt and you can save it as a PDF or any format. But I don't want to print, but look at the uniqueness, the how amazing the receipt is. So you can actually go back. So coming back to the tracking code we track, as you can see now, the map is coming up. It is showing the map now because the network is a little bit stable now. So my current location is Lagos, moving from Lagos to Bayelsa, right? And you can see from the map here, it is showing Lagos. So whatever address you put here, it will be showing, and it will be showing the map here. Here are parts of Lagos. So you just zoom in the map to see. So you just zoom in to see more, right? So that's how it works. So going down is the details. Now, what next is to update the site. So you can go back to the back end and click on update. If you click on update, it will still show you the information, but not all. So here is the status. You know, the other time we selected, so just wait, let it finish loading. Then you click on okay. This time we are going with hold on hold. You can use anyone, departed or anyone. So the percentage it should be the percentage should be, let's say 50%, 50. Then the current location, Port Harcourt or Delta. You can use anyone since it's coming to Bayelsa. Then the date, you can use any date, anytime. But let me, for the sake of this tutorial, let me use today's date and the time too. Same, like seeing now. So you can leave a little note here. You can say luggage on hold, luggage on hold. right? You can put anything. Then the shipping cost, you might decide to put any amount if the person pays for shipping cost, but if he did not pay, you can actually leave it and click on submit. As soon as you click on submit, it will be updated. So you can now go back to the tracking code and see update successfully, updated successfully. So you can now go back to the front end and retract this, or you refresh. So if you retract it, it will give you another information beneath the one you created at first. So just wait, let me show you that. Then the status here is on hold, and you can see the current location is Port Harcourt and arrival country or arrival state is Lagos, right? Then the arrival date and the comment, right? So that's how this works. So when you give the person the tracking code that will lead to, when you give the person, your customer, the tracking code, you will now give the person the website link to, so you will track and you will give him this information. See now, see the current location is Rivers State. So that's how this amazing career website works. If you need this for your project or for your work, anything at all, just don't hesitate to contact me. Feel free to DM and I will give you access to it on our negotiation. So see you in my next video.